A rectangle has a diagonal of 5 feet and a perimeter of 14 feet. Find the rectangle's dimensions. Well, I drew a rectangle. I called the sides x and y for length and width, and I put the diagonal in of 5. I can see this forms a right triangle. So one equation I know I have is x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. Then I also know that the perimeter is 14, so that means 2x plus 2y equals 14. Working with perimeter, I could divide everything by 2 to get x plus y equals 7, which means x equals 7 minus y if I wanted to isolate the x, because that allows me now to substitute that back into my original equation. So I could take out the x, leaving everything else the same, and substitute in 7 minus y. When I did that, I have multiplying out 7 minus y times 7 minus y would give me 49, then minus 7y and minus 7y will be minus 14y, and then plus y squared, plus the other y squared equals 25. So that I have 2y squareds, I have a minus 14y, and if I subtract 25 from both sides, I get minus, let's say a positive, 49 minus 25 is 24, equals 0. I can factor a 2 out of this to have 2, and then y squared minus 7y plus 12 equals 0, and see that this now factors into y minus 3 times y minus 4. So setting each of these, the 2 can never equal 0, but I have y minus 3 equals 0, and y minus 4 equals 0. So y equals 3 and y equals 4 are two possible dimensions. Going back to x equals 7 minus y, so that could be 7 minus 3, which is 4. So I could have x equals 4 when y equals 3, or x equals 7 minus the y of 4 gives me 3, so I could have the same idea, this time x equals 3 when y equals 4. So either way, I have a length of 3 and a width of 4, or vice versa. So 3 and 4 are the dimensions of this particular rectangle.